What's up, guys? Power Star Jude here. Hope all my dudes are having a great day. Today I'm working on a 2013 Honda CRV. Let me turn it around. I'm going to do a tune-up and I will show you what I'm going to do. All right, I kind of already started. I'm sorry, but you can see I got the coils. Well, anyways, this is what it looks like when you start. There's four, I believe they're 8 or 10 millimeter bolts that hold this little cover on. You take this cover off, and then there's four coils. You guys have seen me do tune-up videos before. To get the coil off, you just you squeeze the tab, pull it out, and remember there are also I believe they're 8 or 10 millimeter bolts holding the coil packs on as well. These are already out. I kept them in order when I took them out. You know, so now pretty simple. I'm also going to change my air filter, my cabin air filter on this vehicle. I did oil change. Really no need. You guys have seen me do an oil change on this vehicle before. I'm not going to reference it, but if you look up in my channel, you'll see a easy maintenance or light maintenance on a Honda CRV or something like that. That shows how to do the oil change. But it takes 4.5 or 4.6 quarts of 020, and put the oil filter, drain it, you know, put the oil filter on. I also noticed when I was down here I had an oil leak. My godson actually noticed it for me because I put him to work on this one. He did the oil change for me. But he said, "Oh, you're leaking oil." I said, "Yeah, I know. It's getting bad." He's like, "Oh, it's getting there." So I'm gonna have to figure out what's leaking oil here pretty soon and fix that. But let's keep on moving forward. All right, so you're gonna want to make sure before you pull out your spark plugs, you blow out all your holes. That way nothing gets in there. You're gonna need this extension, however long it is. It looks like it's about a 6-inch extension, and your 5/8 size. Is it clear? You can. There you go. 5/8 spark plug socket. What the magnets are preferred. Pull them out, pop the new ones in, and then start going back together again. It's not that big of a deal. All right, I'll be right back. So there she is, all back together, easy weasy. Now I'm going to replace the air filter. Show you how I do that. All right, guys, air filter is easy. There is, I don't know what size that is. Looks like a 5.5 for the cold air intake holes. You loosen that, you pop that off, and then there's 3 snaps. One right there, one right there, one in the back. And then you can take off your master connector if you want. I usually don't though. I just kind of hold it for a second. I just usually hold it right, leave it, kind of swing it out. And man, look at, I don't know when I replaced this, but it's not very filthy. Looks like I replaced it recently. Yeah, I don't think I'm even gonna replace that. That's kind of clean. You know what? I think I did replace it the last time I did an oil change. I just forgot, so I'll just leave that one. But anyways, now you guys know how to replace it. You know, throw that one out. You put the new one in. Put your connector back, your airbox back on. They're right here. There are, I don't know if you can see my hands right here. There's a tab, and on the box you can see there's pegs. Slide those in, so that way it's on. Make sure you get your hose on. Put your clips back on. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm just going to tighten that back up. And your air filter is now replaced. I'm also going to do a cabin air filter, so give me a second. All right, cabin air filter is easy too. Since you got to just pull the glove box down. Take the glove box down. Oh, what's in there? Just some DMV stuff and some service or owner's manuals. Then you got to pull this down and this down, and this is going to drop. Oh, sorry guys, I must have hit my hand must have hit hand must have hit the button because it stopped recording when I pulled out the old one. But anyways, this is the new one. You can see the slot where it goes in right there. You slide it in. It's got marks for airflow, showing the airflow going up. And this was on there, and this snaps on to hold that in. that's it. Bring this up, and that's done. So that was an easy one to do. So now I'm done with the maintenance on this. I did the oil change, which, like I said, I didn't show in a video because I have a video doing an oil change on this vehicle before, or on a vehicle like this before. Same exact vehicle, actually, same model. But now I showed you how to do an air filter. I showed you how to do a cabin air filter and a tune-up, which is just basically not a whole tune-up. I kind of did the tune-up, but I didn't change any coils. I just replaced the plugs. But I hope you guys found this video helpful or interesting. Or if you didn't find it helpful or interesting, and thank you for even checking it out. But please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. Until next time, keep on keeping on. Power Stroke Jude, out.